Hi guys, so let me give you a walkthrough of Maxwell Elvista by CRA Developers. These are the only ultra luxurious high-rise apartments situated in Northwest Delhi in Rohini Sector 32. ये अपार्टमेंट UER 2 के बहुत ही पास है। ये आपको गुड़गांव से सिर्फ 20 to 25 मिनट्स में पहुंचा देते हैं। उसके अलावा these apartments are just 2 minutes away from the metro station. Maxwell Elvista is not just connected to the metro station or UER2, but is also connected with nearby a lot of hospitals, colleges and schools. So let us just continue with our walkthrough of the apartment. Enter करते ही हमें मिल जाता है हमारा first powder room. इसके बाद हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। This apartment's height is 11 feet और अंदर एंटर करते ही हमारे साइड पे होता है एक मंदिर, एक spiritual area, और मंदिर एरिया। उसके साथ में ही हमारा होता है डाइनिंग एरिया, which is a very spacious area for you all, जिसके अंदर आप पूरी अपनी फैमिली के साथ कनेक्ट होके बैठ के आराम से डिनर कर सकते हैं। डाइनिंग एरिया के बिल्कुल साथ में ही हमारा लग्जूरियस एंड स्पेशियस लिविंग एरिया आ जाता है, which is again connected with the 6 feet wide balcony area. इसके आगे बढ़ते हैं, फिर हमारा किचन एरिया आता है, which is attached with the innovative cookware system along with the gas stove and the chimney. Not just that, but fridge too. किचन के साथ ही हमारा बैल्कनी एरिया अटैच्ड है, which can also be used as the cleaning area. आगे बढ़ते हैं तो हमारा लॉन्ज एरिया आता है, जहाँ पे आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के टीवी देख सकते हैं एंड अपना पूरा चिल आउट करके एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। इसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं हमारे फर्स्ट बेडरूम में, which is then again attached with a sleek modular washroom and a walk-in closet. उसके बाद हम आते हैं सेकेंड बेडरूम में, which is again attached with a very beautiful walk-in closet and a modular washroom. These both bedrooms are connected with the balcony, again 6 feet wide. Lastly, हम जाएंगे हमारे मास्टर बेडरूम में, जो कि इतना स्पेशियस है कि वहाँ पे सिटिंग भी अवेलेबल हो सकती है। उसके साथ ही आपका मोस्ट अट्रैक्टिव, मोस्ट स्लीक एक वॉक-इन क्लोजेट होता है, which is attached to the modular washroom. That master bedroom is also attached with balcony area. This apartments come with 3-sided balcony. Not just that, this apartment also has a height of 11 feet. इस पूरे यूनिट में हमें centralized AC भी मिलता है, which comes in every room. Not just that, Maxwell Elvista comes along with a clubhouse on 20th floor. It includes many amenities like billiards room, gymnasium, yoga room, library, restaurant, and many other activity areas like art studio and dancing room, etc. etc. The size of Maxwell Elvista apartment is 2450 square feet, which has 2 sides of balcony, and the corner apartments has the size of 2650 square feet, which has 3 sides of balcony. The outdoor amenities these apartments hold are swimming pool, basketball court, badminton court, pet relief area, and kids playing area. Not just that, but also the jogging track. Let's move forward to the tower amenities these apartments hold. They provide you with the reception area, driver's lounge, and the rest. The other facility Maxwell Elvista provides are 5-tier security, housekeeping, round-the-clock utilities, car washing area, and car parking area, along with the EV charging system. Maxwell Elvista, where your future begins. Limited units left. Book your home now.